I'm Katrina, and this is Sew and Tear. And this is Jim. Jim is my friend's dog that I got to watch while they went on a trip. Jim has brothers and sisters of the human and kitty kind, but I believe this was his first trip to some farm animals. So follow him on his adventure. It's quite cute. Quail were the first animals that Jim discovered on our little farm here. Not sure if he thought they were real or if they were on television, because Jim does watch television. So it was pretty funny and super cute to see him kind of interact with these little guys.
Do you see yourself? You're a happy doggy. Hey! That was a little hard, sweetie. We're okay with the little nose bumps. We're not okay with the big nose bumps, okay? He's trying to play with them is what he's doing. Huh, mister? Yeah?
Apparently, watching quail chicks all day is exhausting.
What do you guys think? Hmm? Do you like Parmesan? Do you like Parmesan? Hmm? Well, you asked him to play before. I was hoping to get that on film. What do you think, mister? You're cool with having Jim here? Yeah. Good boy. Parmesan, you have an admirer. Ah. Hi, Parmesan. Hello. You're such a funny dog. He doesn't want to play, sweetie. He doesn't want to play. He doesn't.
Now, before anybody says you shouldn't have a dog out there by your rabbits, it's gonna scare them. Parmesan is a super chill dude, and his previous home had a dog, so he's used to seeing dogs. So he did really good around Jim.
You're much more interested in the bunnies, aren't you? You are. Hmm? Morning, chickens. Say hi to the chickens. Hmm? Here they are. Let me see the bunnies. Yeah. There's the bunnies. Hmm? Hi, Parmesan. Your friend is back. I'm pretty sure he still doesn't want to play, honey. What do you girls think of this big hairy guy? You don't care, do you? Hi, Meatball. Drop it. No, looks like he got a nugget. Did she peck at you? Oh, we're after. Did you peck at him? Did he do too close? Oh, excuse you. Hi, ladies.
This is as close as Jim got to our laying quail. I did not want him to accidentally make them stop laying. I hope you've had a little bit of fun with a stress-free look at Jim's vacation with us. And I hope you can share this with someone who just needs some cuteness in their life without the stress of the world right now. Thanks for watching.